Hi guys, I know it's been like a super long time since I did a braces update, and I'm so sorry. I was having internet troubles for a while, and then I wasn't, and I was just being lazy and not making videos. So I'm back. I have a couple other channels I need to make videos for, but I'm back, and I thought of this one first, I guess. I want to show you guys my braces. I know I haven't like updated on them in a long time, but my top teeth are completely straight now. So I'll show you. And I have a ton of pictures. I have another laptop with all of my pictures, every single picture of my progress on it, and that computer actually like broke. So hopefully I don't lose all those pictures because that would really suck. I want to make a video showing all the progress so far. My top teeth are completely straight, so I'll be able to do a video showing all the progress up until now for these ones, because I don't think they're going to get any straighter than they are now. But I will show you my top teeth, and then talk about my bottom teeth. These are my tops. They just need to be like all evened out now, like at the orthodontist or whatever. Wow, I need to get rid of my blackheads. Okay, so yeah, these are my teeth, and they're really straight. So yeah, and my bottom teeth are not. Yeah, so right here, they didn't tie that they didn't tie the wire down to that bracket, because next time I go, they are going to put a spring coil there, because there's not enough room for that tooth to come out, so you have to push the other ones apart. I don't know what that's going to be like, but I'm kind of nervous about it, because it seems like that would hurt. So hopefully it's not that bad. I will try and make a video and let you guys know how that goes. So I really haven't had any problems with my braces lately. I mean, it hurts pretty bad when I get them tightened now. It didn't when I first got them, but it does now. It hurts pretty bad. Just the bottom ones. The top ones don't hurt, but the bottom ones are always hurting. Like, my teeth hurt right now, and I haven't gotten my braces tightened since like July 1st, I think. Or not July 1st. Yeah, July 1st. So yeah. And I get them tightened again on August 11th. So and that's when I get my spring coil thingy. So yeah, I will try and make another update soon. Really sorry. I will talk to you guys later.